Here's how to make your Android phone say something when you plug it in. Now, whenever you charge your phone, if you want it to play music or say something, I'll show you how to do it. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. Really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, let's open up the Play Store here. You can't do this with just the built-in options for your phone. You need to download a third-party app. Now, on here, we will search for battery sound notification. And you can see here, battery sound notification. You can see 10 million downloads. Let's just install this. Now, after it's done installing, let's just tap on open to open it up. You will need to allow it to send notifications. So let's hit allow. And you can see some things basically walking you through why it might not initially work. But once you're good with that, let's just go back here. And to create one, let's tap on the plus at the top right. Now, under mode, let's say connected, aka when you connect your phone to the charger. You can choose an audio file ringtone, or I'm going to choose text to speech, and I'm going to say, I'm charging bro. Now, under name, I can just say charging, and description, I don't need that. Let's just tap on the save button at the top right. Now, you can see it is turned on, and now I need to swipe down from the top right, make sure my volume is fairly high so that I will be able to hear it, and let me plug in my phone here. I have a cable, and I'll show you that it works.
I'm charging bro.
And there you go. Every time you plug it in, it will say something. You can also do this for disconnecting or unplugging, etc. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below. Leave a comment if you just have any questions. Thanks, guys.